We're gonna make a switch today. I'm Justin. Thanks for being here. Hey, good morning. We've got a Jeep Wrangler in the shop today, and this is not the Liberty, believe it or not. You know, just the paint doesn't do everything that it would have to do to turn this into a Wrangler. Today we're gonna work on a customer's vehicle. Happens to be my dad. He went ahead and he purchased an aftermarket. Maybe it's an OEM option, I'm not sure. You guys might know more than me. Maybe we got some Wrangler guys in here. But it's the fuel cap cover, or the fuel filler cap. This one says Jeep on it. I think you can see that right there. Opens up, closes nicely. And on top of that, Jeep sends you a little toolkit. I'm not sure if this comes with the Wrangler when it's new, but this says Jeep on it right here. I'm gonna show you. There you go, Jeep trademark. You open it up, you can see that you can remove the top, whatever is going on there. And then this has got to be for the wheels, window down potentially. And you can remove the doors with these. Really nice day again today. The sun's not shining, it's overcast, but that's okay. It'll come back. I got to work over here in the darkest corner of the garage, so I'm gonna grab that Harbor Freight light, see if we can light it up. Come on back here. Drop that right there. As you can see, there is not a lot of space in here. We're right up against the wall. I've got it kind of kinked over. I could have backed it in, but I wanted you guys to see the front of it for the video. Not that that really matters. For those of you who are saying I got such a clean shop, well, yeah, over here looks pretty nice, right? What's happening on the other side? Well, there you go. Tractor Supply, bedding for the chickens, three-wheeler seat, house siding, coats, tires, and then just wood cutting station, and a lot more. The old head for the Jeep CRD, tow hooks, wheeler, air compressor that needs to be rebuilt. You get it. So I'm not trying to deceive anybody. I'm just trying to keep the garage clean, and I had to get one side clean, which meant that I had to make another side dirty. If you know the battle, you know the battle. Most of you probably do. All right, well, at least the door is on this side. Yep. Barely clears, but it does. These Wranglers are kind of neat how they got the roll bar right here. You see, you got your roof, then you got the roll bar. Just kind of cool. All right, so we're gonna see if we can use this Jeep kit to do the whole thing. One thing that I don't see is I don't see a screwdriver. I think I could probably just maybe see if I can. Yeah, I can't quite get it up with my fingernails, so I got to get a screwdriver. I've actually got these little deals, trim removal tools, and I think I'm just going to use one of these here. I'll grab this one. Be real careful not to scratch it up. I've seen a trick. You grab a microfiber towel. You can grab probably any towel you need. Let's see if I can show you this here. There we go. Stay. And right down in there we've got our little Torx. It's like the smaller one of the two. Put it in the ratchet. Whatever we do, let's make sure we don't strip it out. You can pull it out. You should be able to do this without worrying about the taillight falling out. So here we go. Put that right there and that right there. And that's pretty much what you got to do on the inside. I mean, that is. This will just come right out. Came out easier than I thought it was going to. This thing has two harnesses. Really? Did not think they would have two harnesses. So see if we can just lean that right down there without hurting anything. Yeah, that's going to be okay. Well, if you look right in here, can we see right between there? Pretty much there you go. It's right in there between those two mounds, or I don't know, almost looks like a dull chainsaw teeth or something like that. It's in there. Darkest part of the shop. Yep. So yeah, when I got the light in here, I can see the rivets, so I should be able to get one and then get the other. Shouldn't come off. Probably got to take the fuel cap off, eh? Should we do that? Let's do that. I'm gonna grab the little trim tool so I can disconnect this. There we go. Fuel cap off. You know what, you can get your hand all the way back here and grab this side one. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to be able to get 3 of them out. If you just reach through the large portion to the right that your tail light sits in, you can get at least 3 out of the 5 clips or so, and then it's going to come out a whole lot easier. There you go. Now it's basically out. Get it? There we go. Just like that. You can see that opening right back there. Reach your hand right through there and you can get to the back. Just like that. I'm just gonna clean up a little bit. And we were thinking about putting some double-sided mounting tape on this, but I don't know if I put some double-sided mounting tape on that, it might actually cause it to not seat those tabs, and I don't think that that would be good to get it on there. This comes with a grommet, so it should just go right over. It's got a little locating tab. No sweat. Pretty neat, actually. It's already over. In. I think that holds pretty well, actually. Fuel filler cap. Yep. Can't see myself. How can you guys see? There we go. All right, so there's that. Let's get this back on and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, so after thinking about it for a second or two, I always hold you guys down here. I should hold you up here. Don't want to make you sick though. I went ahead and put some double-sided tape. There's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, about 8 pieces on there. And now let's try to put it back on again. I will just feel better knowing that the customer gets what he wants. Customer is dad. Got to go on straight with this. Don't mess it up, okay? All right, understood. Don't do it. Don't touch it with your fingers. Silly. Our tab, there it is. Stand by. And we're on. Giving that a little shake. That's much better. Now it doesn't move whatsoever. Give this little wipe down with the new towel, a new towel. Give the customer, dad, his stuff back. Look at this. These are nice. They look good. Close the door. You don't even have to try. Opens. Closed. Can't see it, but we got the cover back on. Let's close the window, close these from the middle. See if we can make it down past. Yep. Got to use your muscles. Muscles? Is that how it closes? There we go. That's better. Well, that's going to do it for today. I appreciate you guys hanging out again. Be sure to comment. Let me know what you're doing today. I do enjoy hearing from you. That comment section can be so depressing or degrading, but you guys have kept it really nice, and I appreciate that. Thanks so much. It's fun to talk with you. Everybody have a good day. Let's back this out. We'll wrap it up. Open the door and the hens will come rolling in here. Yep, there's the one already. Not used to having one of these in the shop. Got a backup camera. My worst fear is running into something. It's not a worst fear, but it's not a very fun thought. That'll do. Look at the hens in there. All right, you gotta leave the cat food alone. Come on, Goldie. Come on. You're not white. What are you doing in here? Goodbye. We made it. We got another thing done today. Remember, if you get something big done, or if you get a little project done, or just a task, a to-do list item, it's a good day, right? Lots of worse things can happen than being behind on projects. I'm behind on a whole bunch. There it is, we got that on, it looks good. Would you or would you not do the upgrade? And why? Everybody have a good day. We'll talk to you in the next one. Bye-bye.